उस लड़के से मैं बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करता हूँ।
Yeah, I get her. Between the two of you, who's the bigger sulker?
तो कैमरा पे लाते क्यों है? कुछ बोलना है तो झूठ ही बोलेगा।
देखो अच्छा एक्टिंग आती है आपको इसलिए मतलब मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ।
I'm standing without a friend.
What was chapter 1 like?
I mean, we stopped getting work.
मैंने MBA किया था, कुछ नहीं मिला था मेरे को।
You have PTSD till now?
I have PTSD at a random time a doorbell ring.
Your mom said that how will my daughter ever heal from this? Has the healing happened now? Riya, are you single?
Yes. Off camera, she's a jaan.
यार वैसे ऑन कैमरा बड़ी सेल्फिश है।
मेरे को भी आया था थोड़ा फीडबैक रोडी से।
झूठ नहीं बोल।
झूठ नहीं बोल
सच्ची
रहा,
बोल।
वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा।
सच्ची बोल।
Okay.
ओके रुक जाओ
क्यों क्या हुआ?
क्योंकि गाड़ी गेट से बाहर जानी बहुत जरूरी है।
गेट से तो बाहर जाएगी ना अंगद, अगर हमको कहीं जाना है आज डबल डेट पे, so for being on a double date we have to be out of the gate.
Exactly. Wow, honey, you have really improved your rhyming skills.
But more importantly, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं रिया चक्रवर्ती and शौविक
चक्रवर्ती की।
शौविक is one of the nicest, sweetest, kindest boys.
शौविक के बारे में मैं बता।
अच्छा,
उस लड़के से मैं बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करता हूँ। वो होनहार तो है ही, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही हैज एज अ बॉय इफ ही हैड पिक्ड कुछ भी उठाता ना, वो स्पोर्ट उठाए उसमें अव्वल नंबर लेता है। यू नो आई विश उस लड़के को मैं अगर मैं 20 साल की उम्र में होता ना तब मिला होता।
Here for me is somebody कि उसके और मेरे बीच ना there's always a joke going on in our heads and I get her. कई ऐसे लोग होते हैं ना, you get that person, चाहे social setting में हो, चाहे वो कैमरा पे हो, चाहे हम आउटडोर कहीं शूट पे गए हैं, 2 हमने शूट्स किए हैं एक साथ and it's a lot of fun to hang out. वो गाड़ी में क्या कर रहे होंगे? I don't think they're even talking to each other right now. Double date.
अच्छा आप बताओ, चलो अब इसकी बात हो ही रही है। टेल मी व्हाट डिड यू थिंक ऑफ हर व्हाइल यू ऑल वर शूटिंग टुगेदर रोडीज पर?
On camera or off camera?
नहीं पहले दोनों बताओ।
On
नहीं नहीं,
first.
ऑन कैमरा
On
बहुत
first.
अलग इंसान
I
है
want
ये।
to know the on
ऑन
version,
कैमरा तो
because
बहुत
that's the
अलग है।
dangerous one.
On camera is tough.
Yeah.
It's tough because she's just a lot. Off camera, she's a jaan. I love her. खाना पीना नेहा, कुछ भी चाहिए नेहा.
यार वैसे ऑन कैमरा बड़ी सेल्फिश है। You know why? Because every time she makes sure that her parts are looked into very well.
मेरे को भी आया था
वो
फीडबैक।
अपना एक रख लेती है।
But देखो
One
ये
minute, guys, he said something which you all have to stop. 1 minute.
नहीं नहीं, ये अपना ही
No,
करती
1
है।
minute. It's not me. ये इसने कुछ बोला है which you missed.
मेरे को भी आया था थोड़ा फीडबैक रोडी से।
हाँ, दे दे, आया होगा।
समझ नहीं आ रहा है नेहा का, वो ऑनलाइन ऐसे होती है ऑफलाइन ऐसे हो जाती है। मैंने बोला ऑफलाइन अच्छी है ना, वही रखो। रोज फीडबैक आ रहा था, मुझे रोज यही हो रहा है तो कंसिस्टेंट तो है ना। ऑफलाइन
हम घर नहीं लेके जाते वो सल्क ना, ये सल्क
That's
करती
the
है
best part.
ना मैं करती हूँ, बट बिटवीन द टू ऑफ यू who's the bigger sulker?
बिना मतलब
बाबू-
क्वेश्चन का आंसर ही हो
बाबू
गया।
नया फाइनेंशियल ईयर शुरू हो रहा है,
तो झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे
झूठ
ना।
नहीं बोलेंगे।
But who is the bigger sulker?
I don't sulk. Have you ever seen me with a sad face? ये
I would say less than sulking, he's the grumpier one. Let's put it like that.
she sulks so much that I moved out of the house. तो निकली गया घर से।
Say
बोला रोज सुबह
really.
नहीं देखना है मेरे को।
झूठ
घर पे।
नहीं बोल।
झूठ नहीं बोल
सच्ची
रहा।
बोल
वो
रहा हूँ।
झूठ नहीं बोल
सच्ची
रहा।
बोल।
कैमरा में झूठ नहीं बोल रहा।
खींचने आ रही है। सच्ची बोल।
Wait. So you have moved out of the house because of her?
Every morning I'm seeing a grumpy on the sofa. Like ये नहीं है ना, मैं चलो खुद से देख लो।
तो को कैमरा पे लाते क्यों है? कुछ बोलना है तो झूठ ही बोलेगा।
देखो
फिर।
अच्छा एक्टिंग आती है
सच
आपको
बोल।
इसलिए मतलब मैं झूठ
सच
बोल रहा हूँ।
ले। No, he moved out not because of me, because him and my mom, they
मम्मा को मत लाओ इन सब चीजों
बहुत लड़ते हैं।
ये देख झूठ तो यार सबसे बड़ा झूठ
I
है।
will video call my mom right now and she'll tell you what the truth is.
And I have a more important question. Now you have moved out.
Yes.
You are living alone. Are you single?
I'm not single.
Perfect.
Offline, online.
So is it a better life?
Ooh.
I'm off the
He's
market, yes.
actually
For the
a
time
very,
being.
very good boyfriend.
So
And
nice.
say how,
I've
say
seen
how.
that.
Forget that. Like, if I go out every other month, someone or the other catches me and says, "You're Shobik's sister, Riyati." I just want to tell you, when I was 21 years old, from this place, I was very drunk. He dropped me home to Kandivali in a rickshaw. So he's been trained well.
नेहा को यही बोल रहा था गाड़ी में, मैंने कहा कि अगर मैं अपनी 20 साल की उम्र में शोविक से मिला होता ना, I would have been the most happiest person of my life.
How sweet, yeah.
Yeah, because you know I see you play.
It's a Shobik show. I told you.
He really loves Shobik.
Yeah. जब हमारी टीम सिलेक्शन भी हो रही थी, उसको ले लो, इसको ले लो, सबसे पहले तेरा नाम लिया जाता है और तेरे पीछे आगे पीछे बातें हो जाती कि यार इसको ले लियो तो फिर अब 2 बंदों को लो ताकि इसको कंपनसेट हो. You know, share with us your journey of your childhood.
My childhood was insanely good. Dad was in the army now, so we traveled so much. We adapted very quickly. Bar Ambala, Agra, you know, and हम लोग तो स्कूल में जाते थे, आर्मी स्कूल में जाते थे, बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन लाइफ होती थी. So that discipline goes a very long way.
No, but this kind of like the amount of love that we see between the two of you, जैसे चाहे वो Instagram पे हो, चाहे वो socially हो, चाहे building together, you know, this is not easy. Brothers and sisters, after a certain age, they part ways. And getting into business together, is it easier with a sibling? Is it harder? I want you to take it. Shobik, I want you also to answer.
It's hard to work with a sibling. Personal, professional, वो distinction समझ में बहुत time लगता है because you are upset with them at home for some reason और फिर काम पे उन्होंने छोटी चीज कर दी लेकिन आपको ज्यादा बड़ी लग रही है क्योंकि आप घर से ही गुस्सा निकले हो.
Such a valid point.
In the beginning, it was very hard for us. एक बार तो before he actually left home, उसने 1-2 धमकियाँ दे दी थी कि मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. But him moving out was good because office में सारा दिन साथ में, घर में भी साथ में होंगे तो फिर it just becomes that space is good. And overall, the pro of working with your sibling is that there's full trust. But there are other problems that, you know, there is a dynamic. I'm his elder sister. He's my younger brother. To witness him as an adult, as a leader, he's the CEO of the company.
He's the CEO of Chapter 2 and you are?
No, the
the
chief
CFO.
of everything else officer.
Chief of
Oh,
everything.
okay. तो मतलब the CEO.
Not the CEO. तो जो भी
Everything
CEO,
else is
everything
CEO.
जो वो नहीं करना चाहता है वो मैं करूंगी. जैसे कि compliances उसको नहीं पसंद हो, accounts उसको नहीं पसंद, गंदे काम.
How is it like working with her?
I think both of us started this because we had no other choice. उनका एक्टिंग करियर ऊपर नीचे जा रहा था, मैंने MBA किया था, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे को.
I mean, we stopped getting work. Like after 2020, no one would sign me and no one would hire him and इसका MBA हो गया था, but like he got arrested the same year, he got admitted, he got 97 percentile, he got admitted in a good college.
Like what happened? Like between the time Chapter 2 started and the time when there were no offers.
So basically we tried a lot. Like after I came out, a lot of people try to help कि इसको कहीं ना कहीं जॉब डाल देते हैं, पर कोई आया नहीं ऐसे कि आके मैं देता हूँ जॉब. So I was working for like a philanthropy agency for 2-3 years. I was like, one day I was sitting there like, what do we do next? There's nothing, I don't want to waste my prime years. So then she had the idea saying that I want to start a brand which speaks for something. And then we were like, क्या brand? Soap बेचें, क्या बेचें, किस क्या?
What all did you think? Okay, what were the multiple, what was on the drawing board?
Call the brand Chudail Ka Badla. Okay, that was going to be the name of the brand and I really wanted to call it that and I wanted to make cool ass t-shirts and like this whole thing. But then everyone was like, oh, don't be so negative and it's just funny. Okay, I was not being negative. Then I wanted to call the brand Black Sheep. That's why I even made this bracelet with Black Sheep because we felt like we were the black sheep of society. So we thought we were going to make it Black Sheep. And then Chapter 2 came along. T-shirt came through because T-shirt was very much integrally part of my Chapter 1. Because when I got arrested, I was wearing a T-shirt that said "Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's smash the patriarchy, me and you." And it spoke for me when no one else could speak for me. I was like, can we make more such T-shirts for other people to resonate with when they are going through times when they can't speak up for themselves or they're confused or so the clothing has to feel empowering but not in an overpowering way. So that T-shirt just felt right. कि हाँ T-shirt ही बनाते हैं.
If this is Chapter 2, what was Chapter 1 like?
Chapter 1 was completely opposite. I was this
so right before
nerd.
Chapter 2, what was
I
it
was
like?
this nerd who was trying to go to MBA college, either in IIM or Wharton. IIM was even the better option. Then everything went south. Like it came like no one can predict all these things. Life just takes you full on the backstep. And I feel like there was a phase which was bad and we got over it. It took us a couple of years, 4-5 years. We're still, some days there are, you know, you feel that, ki, oh, this happened with me.
You have PTSD till now?
Of course. I have PTSD if at a random time a doorbell rings. It was like so much chaos, right? So every doorbell that rang, we were like, "Ki someone's coming after us." So that kind of PTSD is there in many forms. But then you start living with it. You do a lot of therapy. I've done a lot of therapy in the last 4 years. I feel that's a very important aspect for everybody.
And being in therapy kind of helped you, or is it something that was advised to you medically, or this is a stance you took?
I just took a stance that I have to let it out somewhere. Someone has to hear what my side of the story is. And I didn't feel comfortable talking to anyone about it, except to another non-judgmental person.
Is your side of the story fully out?
No, it's not.
Do you want it to be out ever?
Maybe in a couple of years I'll write a book.
In one of the interviews, I think your mom said that, how will my daughter ever heal from this? Has the healing happened now?
See, I don't think something like that is something you can ever truly, fully get over. It's trauma. It stays in your body, if not in your mind. You have issues because of it. PTSD, like he's saying, you do your therapy, you deal with it. So ours was public, so everyone knows about it, talks about it, and that's okay. But at the end of the day, are we healed enough to work, run a successful business, and have the desire to do?
If you see it from where everyone else sees it, which you won't, but you guys, the way you've turned it around, what's happening around, company valuation, जो भी हम बोल रहे हैं, सारे कितने टके का कितना टका मिलेगा, वो भी, all of that. You guys are role models.
So, ठीक है, you are not single. But what are the qualities you look for in a girl? बता.
Loyalty should be real. What she's showing on Instagram versus what's offline. Online, offline is 95% very hayward in my generation.
Correct.
And just honest.
And stylish.
Yeah, extremely.
And a good
No
dancer.
keywords here, guys.
And are you looking for good rhythm? मतलब dance.
They should have their move.
What are you getting at?
नहीं, वो has
नहीं,
the
बस
moves.
बातें
बस
ही।
बोल दिया उसने.
अच्छा ठीक है अंगद तुम्हारा मुझे. Arya, are you single?
Yes.
What are the qualities you look for in a man?
Don't really have a wish list at the moment, but companionship would be nice at some point, and I think evolved, if there's one word.
Which one of the two of you is going to get married first?
I think it's him, yaar.
I can't marry before.
He shouldn't
शादी करा के
ideally.
जाऊंगा ना.
हाँ?
He's my
शादी
younger
करा के
brother.
करूँगा ना.
शादी करा के करेगा.
ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता
ऐसे ही
है.
है अभी.
ऐसे होना चाहिए.
ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. I agree. लेकिन एक मैं बात बताऊँ, अगर सही पार्टनर आ जाए ना, like जब मेरी इससे शादी हुई थी, मेरे पास 2 लाख रुपए थे बैंक में बस. उतने भी नहीं थे शायद.
Lies, Angad, you told me 2,35,000.
नहीं, तुम पे खर्च हो गए थे ना
वो iPad ले दिया था तुमने मेरे को, उस टाइम 45,000 का था.
मेरे ना 40,000 रुपए होते ना, इसको मैं 30,000 का गिफ्ट ले देता था.
That's so sweet.
या तो मेरी ऐसी हरकतें होती थी. So I basically married her when I had no money. Tell me one red flag, one green flag, and one beige flag about show.
Red flag.
कुछ भी हो सकता है तुम्हारे. Like यहाँ पे red पहन के आई है.
He's
Tell me
calling
one
you
red flag. One
He's
second,
calling you chalta phata red flag.
Tell me one red flag about Angad. Neha.
ये red flag. ये सर red flag.
Sweetly, she's accepted.
Yeah,
also.
है पहन के ही color.
Accepted it. Red is he's impatient. Like he wants it done like now. मतलब उसमें वो ठहराव तो है, but he's impatient when he decides he wants something and it has to be done that way only. So it's a bit tricky to live with that kind of person.
अच्छा. Green.
Green तो बहुत सारे हैं, but I think the most green is that he genuinely cares about everybody. No, everybody.
Yeah, but now.
रेड फ्लैग तो यही है ना कि मेरा रेड फ्लैग दिख रहा है.
अरे क्या बात है.
किस जोर से बोल रहे हो अंगद? इरिटेट हो रही हूँ मैं तुम्हारे.
तुम कुर्सी थोड़ी और चाहते हो.
नहीं, तुम रुको, इतनी जोर से मत बोलो. हाँ.
रेड फ्लैग है कि दैट शी थिंक्स माय रेड फ्लैग इज दिस.
Oh, you got a problem.
Narcissism at its finest.
Yeah.
इसका असली रेड फ्लैग बताती हूँ.
हाँ, असली.
He's very vain.
Oh, he's vain.
हाँ, वो तो
He
Instagram पे
loves
दिखता है.
himself.
अच्छी बात है.
He's-
You have
Self
to
love
love
is
it.
important.
मतलब मैं भी अगर मार्केटिंग का आइडिया मेरा हो तो he'll be like, guys, I am amazing. What an idea I gave.
Sounds familiar.
He'll take credit for everything that he won't even do.
But then what about Ria?
रेड फ्लैग एक्चुअली छोड़ना, मैं इतना केयर करता हूँ, मेरे को दिखता ही नहीं रेड फ्लैग्स. बट आई थिंक थोड़ा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन है. थोड़ा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट होता है. आइडिया होता है, एग्जीक्यूशन यहाँ होता है. तो ग्रीन फ्लैग दैट शी इज द मोस्ट लॉयल पर्सन एवर मीट. आई थिंक शी इज रॉक सॉलिड. अच्छी हो, ठीक हो, ठीक
ठीक ही है.
ही है.
इसको हटाओ यार, बोर हो गया इसको किसने बोला ऐसा बोलने के लिए?
हटाओ यार।
मतलब ऐसे मतलब ये दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग यू कुड कम अप विद फॉर हर फॉर ग्रीन फ्लैग.
लॉयल, मैं कुत्ता हूँ क्या?
फाइन, तुम लोग ना बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हो एक दूसरे के बारे में. ऐसे नहीं, अभी थोड़ी सी पिटाई करके निकालना पड़ेगा. करें?
करो.
हाँ.
Ready?
Alright, ready guys. Really simple. एक दूसरे को दिखाना नहीं. You just have to write your one-word answers when we ask you the question. First question. Who has the worst temper?
लंबा लिखा है तो.
Oh,
I'm
guys.
proud of you. You stop lying on camera.
Yeah.
Who got into more fights as a kid? So basically, you have a nature that you could bully people.
नहीं, जो शोविक को bully करते थे उनसे लड़ती थी मैं. I fought with boys. I have been beaten up by so many guys. One guy तो I went to punch him, then I went to kick him. मुझसे बहुत बड़ा था. शोविक से लड़ा था, कुछ तो हुआ था. He held my leg यार. और he dragged me with one leg to the other side and said, "This is the girl side. Stay here."
Who's more saru?
ले, तेरा नाम आ गया.
Saying it, uncle.
उल्टा लिख दिया है.
सच लिख.
नहीं, मैं एरो उस तरफ डाला था, इस तरफ आ गया.
क्योंकि तेरे बॉडी से ही नहीं हो रहा है. तेरे बॉडी से
उल्टा
नहीं हो
होगा
रहा
ना फिर ऐसे.
है. मैं हूँ सरू.
Turn the board.
Listen guys, Shovik is a maha. नहीं है, वो मुझे ट्रोल करता है सारा दिन. लोग बोलते हैं मैं ट्रोलों से परेशान क्यों नहीं होती हूँ, मेरे घर में एक है.
Promo line.
ए बाबू, looking good, bulking हाँ. Full day he does this with me.
Mom, dad का favorite कौन है?
शोविक since 96.
Shovik since 96. I like that. Talent की बात करें तो who's more talented between the two?
लंबा लिखा. Oh, sweet, you guys.
How nice.
इतना झूठा है तू. तो अपने आप को ही मानता है ज्यादा.
नहीं, मैं आपको मानता हूँ.
Listen, he just wrote it now to just be cute.
All right, next question. What is a weird superstition you follow?
How many to write?
Oh, but you can explain this.
Can we just explain this to you?
Yeah.
It's either not fit.
So there's one that I started following. That Shovik is so upset with me because he just copies me, right? He has no originality. Superstition में भी copy करता है. So somebody once told me that whenever you're leaving your house, you should look at your house from the right side 3 times back at the main entrance. Means you'll come back home.
Yeah.
So I started doing it like some couple of years ago. And now he also does it. And he's just like, if he's walking out with me and I'm like doing this, he's like, अरे यार.
Yay, guys! What a great chat. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. अभी chapter 2 में आए हैं तो हम और भी कुछ करेंगे ना? और भी कुछ करेंगे?
जो तुम कहो.
आज हमारे डबल डेट के चैलेंज में ऑब्वियसली हम चैप्टर 2 में हैं. रिया और शौविक हमारे साथ हैं. बिफोर वी टेल यू व्हाट द चैलेंज इज, वी वांट यू टू पिक टीम्स. ईदर यू कैन गो विद ईच अदर or you can pick me or Angad and you know vice versa.
I think I would like to pick Neha since she never picked me in roadies.
Oh,
so we can make the alliance now.
अभी से. This is what the challenge is, guys. Are you ready for it? ये लो आपके पास 6,000 रुपए का चैप्टर 2 का वाउचर. आपके पास 6,000 रुपए का चैप्टर 2 का वाउचर. आपको करना क्या है? आप दोनों के पास 1.5 मिनट हैं. You will dress your partner, she will dress her partner. जिसने सबसे कम पैसे खर्च किए और सबसे ज्यादा पीसेस में अपने पार्टनर को ड्रेस किया, वो जीत जाएगा. Do you need any help, assistance with sizes?
Yes, we do need our amazing Elias and Mahesh to come and help us.
आइए,
One for
आइए.
showing,
आ
one-
जाओ Elias
one
भाई
for
भाई.
giving us
Introduce
sizes.
them. Introduce them.
That's Elias and that's Mahesh. They run this wonderful store and that's our inventory room. तो वो हमारी हेल्प करेंगे जो उनको sizes चाहिए फटाफट लाने.
And जज कौन करेगा? हमारे प्रिय कैमरा क्रू, इतने सारे लोग और साथ में ये हमारे सारे subs and viewers. ये.
And your time begins now.
Who's on the watch? No, it's mine. This room is mine. Out. खोलना मत.
ओए मैंने पैंट उतार दिए. I am standing without a pant.
Oh shit. आगे दो. जल्दी दो. Done.
We already won because we've crossed 6,000.
मैं ये end में आ गया. It is disqualified.
We have crossed. We've crossed 6,000. क्यों? I'm ready.
Wait. What are you at?
6,000 sharp. 59990.
And we?
That's unbelievable. Look at
And this is 3290. What
And
is
this
the
is 4190. This is also
ये क्यों डलवाई दिया?
और जो विजेता हैं इस राउंड के शोविक सर, आप यहाँ आइए सर. And we are the winners of this chapter 2 competition जो बहुत ही confidently नेहा धूपिया ने शुरू किया था thinking she will win.
He is looking good, but honestly, we were
But
going to.
we were fine. Why did you put the shirt on? But I was ready
No,
before him.
not just the
You
shirt. And
gave-
the cap on top because
And
I
the
put your
cap.
cap.
But the thing is that since I'm the founder, I could have just changed the prices. I changed the prices.
Yes, we are actually shopping in sale. What
Best
were
part
you
is
doing?
Mahesh bhai is picking up for you.
And best part is, Elias is telling me, हाँ गलत है.
यार देखो जो भी है.
पर लग तो सही है.
ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी कौन जीता है. तो अब ये दोनों बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कपल साथ में वॉक करेंगे, वो रैंप वॉक करेंगे और आप डिसाइड करना हु वन.
Yeah.
Easy.
Having said that, guys, what a great chat. More importantly, chatting with both of you has been amazing. Thank you for
Thank you.
for the love,
Thank
for the
you
time.
This
Thank
was
you.
great. Thank you, Baba.
So much love, guys. ऐसे ही रखना.
Shavik.
He's saying ऐसे रखना. He's saying so much love, guys. ऐसे रखना.
All right, guys. I hope जितना मज़ा हमें आया है उतना ही मज़ा आप सबको आया है talking to Riya and the lovely Shavik, and of course we're here on a double date. अगले हफ्ते हम फिर मिलेंगे आपको. Until then, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. अंगद एक बार मेरे से कर लो. And come on, everybody. ये अंगद फिर बस गया. Yeah, double date, everybody.